Yo, what's going on, everyone? G here. Sorry I'm late. I was wrapping up some stuff, and yeah, I think I'm ready now though. How's everybody doing today? Let me make sure my mic works and everything. And Gustav said, "What's up? Do you like the design of the Polestar 3?" Yes, I do actually. That's what we're gonna talk about today. Just gonna wait a few minutes, see if some of the people join, and then we'll get started. I got tons of information to cover, so you guys might want to watch through to the end for this one, or just kind of chat for a bit. And actually, do me a favor and hit the like button for me. That would be great. I'm gonna post this on Twitter really quick, so we can see if we can get a couple more viewers as well. Go ahead and plug that up for you guys. And I'm gonna have to start a new tweet. What should we call it, guys? GGPI Polestar 3 reveal. Let's go. Official. Oops, I don't know how to spell official. There we go. Official reveal. Let's get it. Should I put a Rocky emoji, or should I do a car emoji? Should I put both? Actually, let's do both. Car, and it's gotta be this one right here. It's an EV, baby. And we're gonna spam SPY, GGPI, oops, Tesla, Lucid, Neo, and what else you want to spam? What's up, everyone? Status Elite, Gustavo, Mike works fine, awesome, great to hear. Friend, hi, your Discord group's still active. I don't see the chats anymore. No, it's active. Just you might need to click on that gain access and click that reaction button again to get access to it. And yeah, just do me a favor, everyone, to smash the destroy the like button. You know how the YouTubers say it. I'm trying to plug up this Discord real quick, or this stream, and then we'll get started in just a second. Just trying to see if we can shout out some of the Polestar investors and get this thing trending, and you know what I'm saying, right? Let me plug up a thumbnail, and we should be ready to go. Slap that bad boy in there, and then we got everything covered. Let me add Polestar real quick too. Maybe they tune in for a bit, who knows. We in here though. Mullen, what's up? Good morning from New Zealand, bro. What's up, Shane? Fisker. Oh, we're gonna talk about Fisker. Mullen. Yeah, we can talk about, oh, we should have added those. I see what you're saying. I should have plugged those things in there. We'll do it next time. I think Mullen's actually a very popular stock, right? I don't know if it's a pump and dump. I think it seems like a pump and dump, but yeah, Francine, make sure you can get to the Discord though. I'm gonna plug in the Discord for everybody. It's honestly, it's been dead, so nobody's really active in the Discord, but you guys are free to join. Let me go ahead and get that plugged in for you guys if you're interested. And then we can get started with news. I got tons of news to cover. Let me go ahead and show you guys the image. This is super badass, I think. But yeah, drop a like button if you guys like the new Polestar 3 reveal. We'll also talk about the stock market and anything else you guys want to cover. Just put it in the chat. I'll try to get to everybody. I'm just finding the Discord link for you guys right now, so you guys can join that if you like. It's free. Not very active, like there's not that many people in there right now. I think a lot of people leave the market when everything's selling off and stuff, but eventually I think people will start joining, and hopefully we can grow a nice community there again. Sandeep said, yeah, I should have added those. Tanked a lot of GGPI shares under 10, so hyped for the 22nd. Yes, me too. I actually got that pinned on my chart, so we already got that merger date posted there, and I'm ready to go. I think next week I'll be starting to get some contracts. I told you guys my plan. I think June 15, June 16 is when I'm going to start loading up on a few different options. Looking at the Julys, haven't really decided on the strike price. We'll kind of see where we're at as far as stock price and how much the premium is. But yeah, we got tons to cover. Let me quickly also plug in the Unusual Wells platform. This is where I do all my options trading, all my research and everything. I'm just gonna plug them up really quick. They I mean, I can basically do everything from this website. You have hot chain tickers, sector flow, basically everything. Stock, you can make your watch list. You get news, stock news, options calculator, earnings, everything. So I use this one for everything. If you guys want to use my discode, my referral link, you guys get 5% off. I'll plug that up there as well. And I think we'll get started. I think we got plenty of people in here. And let me pin that up there as well. So let's see. I think people are in here. What do you guys want to start off with? So I have just regular showroom news. I think the most important stuff is definitely the Polestar 3 reveal here. And I really want to get your thoughts and opinions on it. I think it's super clean. I love the like the slick coming down back end or whatever. It looks really cool. The front end, I mean, it just looks mean too. I haven't really actually. How about I do this for you guys? Let me pull this up over here. They actually released a teaser video this morning on their YouTube channel. So we'll actually watch that together and then we'll get a better idea. Let me make sure I have this on mute though. Let me plug that up there. We're gonna just watch it on big screen. How about that? You guys give me your thoughts on it. My voice is so wholesome. Thank you, thank you. It just I'm not from here, so English is my second language, so I get nervous sometimes, but yeah, they're first like teasing you with the Polestar 3 here. They're basically just, I think the title of this is called The Shape of Things to Come. So it's just like a timeline of things that, you know, we're looking forward to. And I think the way they directed this, I'm not a director by any means, but I think you know, you got the background scenery and everything, right? But I wouldn't say this is the end road, but this is the Polestar 5, so that's probably like, you know, the ending of the movie. But before we get to Polestar 5, which is this one that's on the bridge, which is clean by the way, and we just got patent images if you guys saw some of the live streams, so beautiful car there. But before we get to this one, they're gonna tease us with the current, you know, the timeline, and it's this bad boy here. I can't share the audio though because then I can't get any videos hours for my video. So yeah, this is the Polestar 3 though. So and that's it. So I just want to, oh, see, I watch football and stuff. This is some of the stuff I watch, but I'm okay with it. Yeah, I love these tail lights. I was just trying to go back to the tail lights and the front lights. The Thor headlights here are super clean. And then I don't know if you guys noticed, but those tail lights are so clean. This is right here what I wanted to pause on. I think this is all like the Luminar, or not, yeah, maybe the Luminar and the NVIDIA technology, everything in here. And I think this is like an air vent too, or aerodynamic vent, which you would say we don't really have a motor there, so why would you want that? But I think it's to cool the battery and stuff, the battery that's underneath and everything. So that's really cool. That's the only video that came out on their channel. You guys can also, and let's just leave a comment real quick here if you guys want to leave a comment as well. Polestar 3 is so fire. What do you think? Put in that, and we'll put this. Let me just put one of those though, actually. Yes, sir. Y'all go hit that like button on that one. And let me like the button, slap that for them. And we're good. So now let's go back to the Polestar website. So the first thing to note is they actually already updated their website. So we got Polestar 3 here now. It used to just be Polestar 1, Polestar 2. Polestar 3 finally has its own little dedicated section there. And but Shane said, I really like that Polestar 3. It's pretty mean. It's pretty mean. Yes. Yeah. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it, honestly. I wish we would have got like more images. We just got that side view. That video is not the Polestar 3. It's the Polestar 5. Oh, it's not the Polestar. What? It said Polestar 3 in here. Let me go back. Damn. See, it said Polestar 3 right here. Pretty sure it's Polestar 3. Let me go back now because now I'm confused. AF. Here we go. So it flips from Polestar 3 to Polestar 5. Yeah, this is the Polestar 5. You see how it's got the back? Doesn't it look like the Polestar 3 here? This is that hatchback, that sportback, which is fire. I think it is the Polestar 3, my guy. I don't know though. And so this is the little technology. Yeah, look, peep that right there. I think that is the Polestar 3. There's Polestar 3. That's what I saw come in this morning. Maybe now I'm tripping. Damn. Where am I from? I'm Hispanic, but yeah. Where are you guys from? Want to know where you guys are from. This is the Polestar 5, but this is an old ass video. This is from Feb. Yeah, this is clean too though. That panoramic roof. Sheesh. Okay, so I did have some things to cover on here, and if you guys, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys too, so we can get some nice font on you, and you guys can see everything clean. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, they're just basically talking like it's gonna be fresh breath of air with this new model here, which is, yeah, I think this is a Polestar 5 or Polestar 3. It's gonna be like what would I say? What they're saying here is one that shows, you know, how things get better over time. That's basically their model with the Polestar 3. One shows what comes out. One that shows what comes after 1 and 2 is indeed 3, yet so much more. What? You know what I'm saying? They're just saying it's going to be the EV of the electric age, basically. And sorry if I'm like skipping over stuff. I think we basically have a good idea that Polestar 3 is going to be pretty clean. And we'll also talk about the stock price too. And we'll take a look at some things that we need to consider as well. But you guys know how usually people do quality over quantity or quantity over quality. Well, with the Polestar 3, it's going to be both. You're going to get quality and quantity. Okay, so why have to give up one when you can keep both, basically? Polestar 3 sets a new precedent for the features and functionalities that come as standard with a car. So you're going to get basically standard equipment, but on top of that, the performance infotainment system is going to be like on a new level. Next level drivability, usability, and sustainability. So quality over quantity, except when there's both, basically, is the model here for Polestar 3. So again, this is the only image we got, but I did want to give updates or details if you guys don't know about Polestar 3. Like just a few days ago, they actually released that they're going to be doing it in October, right? And just some few different features here is that LiDAR sensor and the NVIDIA computing power. And I think they're also going to be doing the Qualcomm Dragon, which I could actually pull that up really quick for you guys. Qualcomm, they're doing something with Qualcomm. I'm not sure if it's from the Polestar 3. Here we go. This is for Volvo actually, but I'm pretty sure it's for Polestar 3. Qualcomm and Volvo cars enable Snapdragon powered premium. So this is for the infotainment stuff. So they're using their chips for infotainment things. Right, and here's the Polestar brand too right here. And it's gonna go, basically, let me zoom in for you guys. Qualcomm and Volvo today announced plans to enhance infotainment, so everything that's going inside interior, like the screen and stuff like that, it's going to be coming included in their new electric vehicles for the Polestar 3, with the 3rd generation Snapdragon platform, the cockpit or whatever. So I think that's neat. So we have plenty of big names, Qualcomm, like I said, and then what else did I say we had? NVIDIA computing power. I don't really know what we're doing. I know we're doing the LiDAR for autonomous driving. And yeah, I think that's it. There's a few other things I wanted to mention. Like SUV is going to be like a very important market for Polestar. It's really like the biggest margin. Let me just find I was reading this earlier, but yeah, it's one of the highest margin and growth sectors for the automotive industry, especially in the US. So a lot of people tend to just get a SUV when they are looking for a new car. So yeah, it's gonna be a very, like, I think this is gonna be like differentiator for them, like to really exponentially grow their numbers. Like I think the Polestar 2 is doing great, but the Polestar 3 is gonna be just a new market, because the SUV is kind of like you're kind of in between, deciding between buying a sedan or going minivan, you know what I'm saying? So with the SUV, you still keep that cool factor, you know. And so, especially with the Polestar, you know, it's gonna be more of like a performance luxury SUV. Um, so yeah, it's gonna be. I think it's gonna do great. What do you guys think? And what else did I read on here? I think yeah, just some more of the features like dual motor drivetrain, large battery, and I think this is actually something new. It's 372 miles. I think initially I thought it was like 350. So they're actually slapping a little few more miles on there for the battery. Obviously they have tons of work for the battery still, and they do have that partnership with StoreDot as well. We'll have to kind of see how that develops. I think they're like super early stage, but they do have Volvo with what's that company called we talked about last time? It's a battery company. It's what is it? Northvolt, I think. Shamu Trades. What's up, G? Yo, what's up, man? How's it going? I'm just chilling here with some of the viewers. We're talking about Polestar. It's one of the long-term investments here for us, and yeah, aside from trading, yeah. So I do some options trading, but also been doing some long-term investing on the side, you know. And yeah, you guys go check out Shamu. He's on Twitter. You guys can go peep his Twitter. He has a Discord too, and I think he has a YouTube. Yeah, he has a YouTube channel. I've seen some of his videos. Yeah, check him out on your free time. But yeah, I don't know if you have like interest in Polestar, but yeah, it's a pretty clean car. We were just talking about their new model coming out. This is all electric. I'm sure the guys in here can tell you it's a pretty cool car. Well, this one's not officially out yet, but they're basically working. The Polestar 2 is already out. Polestar 1's already out. This one's going to be retired basically because it's like a hybrid, which is it's a neat design, but it's just not realistic. You know what I'm saying? Like Polestar 1's more of a collector's item, I would say. Polestar 2 is already in mass production. It's doing really good aside from like the supply chains and everything else like that. And then the Polestar 3, they just added this section for it, so we're just taking a look at what's available so far. It's scheduled to like be fully revealed, I think in a show or something, like a show, some kind of show and stuff in October. And then that same day they'll be able to actually start purchasing it, and then production and stuff will start in 2023, like super early, probably like spring and stuff. So Northvolt, yeah, that's the one. Yeah, they have a partnership with Polestar too. Excuse me. I used to do DD and swing trade companies like this. Now only day trade options. Yeah, I remember that too actually. Back in the good old SPAC days, you know, you could just buy a SPAC for $10 and make a quick double up. But yeah, I think that's really all we have for this one. I think I can show you the Polestar 2. I think it's really clean. They just did a upgrade, which is these images right here. It's the BST model. It's basically this 270 is basically they're only gonna make 270 of these models, but man, this thing is clean, bro. Like it's just the regular Polestar 2, but it's got like more horsepower, I believe, and it's got like special wheels. And what else does it have, guys? I don't remember everything on it, honestly. Yeah, 408 horsepower. It is going to be more pricey. I think it's like 15K more. But I mean, 270, you know what I'm saying? That's like a collector's item too, I would say. Let me go back to the main page. So we already talked about that one. Let me try to see if I can configure my own Polestar 2. Shamu says, yeah, I traded a lot of SPACs. Got CCIV before it was Lucid. Went full Hondo on the shares. Yes, sir. That's crazy, actually. Saul says to join VC. Let me check the VC real quick. Oh, is he in there real quick? Alright. Let me put my music on pause then, because I have that. I've been playing that on the background, so let me stop that. And I'm going to get Trippy on here. What up, Trippy? Is it working? I know, right? Scares me.
Yo, GG.
Yo, what up, man? Hey, this is Saul. He's in here for a bit. What's going on? You got some DD? Usually when Saul comes in, some of the nerves kind of go away, because then, you know, some of the responsibility falls on him. So we gotta talk stocks, man. What's going on? And actually, if you don't mind, let me just run through some of this other Polestar news. I've been kind of rambling, but you got DD though, right? You say you got DD, right?
Oh wait, I
Stock
couldn't
market
hear you.
DD.
I can hear you now. What's up, dude?
Oh, what's up, dude? No, I was just saying you got major DD or not?
Oh, I got a breaking DD that you're gonna like.
You think so? Do you mind if I quickly run through some of this stuff real quick for some of the Polestar people that watch this later? I was just
Yeah,
gonna let them
for
know
sure.
that so we talked
Yeah,
about
let me
Polestars.
know. Let him know.
Let I
I
gotta let
still I gotta
yeah.
gather something up real quick.
Oh yeah, take your time, King. Relax. Now I was gonna say we talked about Polestar 3. I was just gonna say they also, on top of adding that to the website, they also made this little special section for all their updates for 2023 model, which we've already covered in some of the live streams and stuff, like the heat pump and all this other stuff. You guys can check this out. I highlighted stuff to talk about it, but since we got Trippy in here, I think that'll be more important to let him handle some stuff. And but yeah, they added everything that we've talked about to the website as well. So check out the features that are going to be included in that new 2023 model. And then also, before I shift over to Drippy, I'm going to show you guys this Drive It Away. I don't know what company this is, but they started their own subscription program. I've never heard of this company. It's a dealer-focused mobility platform. And basically what they're doing is they're letting people drive these vehicles without like a lease or whatever, like no commitment basically. And let me zoom in for you guys so you can actually see some of this stuff that I'm trying to read for you. Um, yeah, so some people they really want an EV and everything, but they haven't really committed to buying one and stuff. And so this company, I guess on their own, I'm not sure if they're partnered with Polestar, but they said, hey, we're gonna do this thing where you guys can test drive it. If you guys like it, you guys can actually have an option to buy it out as well. So again, that kind of is targeting that market where people haven't really committed yet or don't really know. Um, so I think this is really cool for Polestar. It's just going to help them with some of their revenues. I think what's probably happening here is Polestar's or Great Drive It Away Holdings or whatever. I think this is actually an over-the-counter stock too. But they're probably just buying cars from Polestar, and then just doing their program on the side. So Polestar might not even really be involved with this. Don't really know. But like I said, they're basically pushing out the Polestar, marketing the Polestar, letting people drive it. There's like real no commitment. And then if they do end up like liking it and want to, move forward with buying it, they have that option to buy it out. And then actually on top of that, some of the subscription fees that they pay to drive these vehicles, it'll kind of help them. It'll go towards the purchase of that vehicle. But again, there's not like no real obligation to buy the vehicle. So yeah, I think that's cool, and it's actually more significant because Polestar has like a 6 month waiting list. So this is a way for people to actually get early access or just try it out before actually having to, like buy it then not like it. So people could either like order one, wait 6 months, then try it and not like it and return it, or they could just kind of go through this method here, try it out. If they don't like it, they're not committed to buying it. So I found this article a few days ago. I don't remember. It came out, yeah, actually yesterday. But yeah, I think that was neat. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys. And then I still have some more stuff to cover. Trippy, is that cool? How you feeling over there, King? You still pulling stuff together?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let me try to blast through all this real quick. Also Australia's best selling, like last month, Australia had the best vehicle sales. It was Volvo obviously, and also the one that came in second was Polestar. It's not a huge number. 153 were reported as sold. In total, since they've opened in the market, was 361. But what's really fascinating is Tesla only like reported 12 vehicles sold last month. So, I mean, just that ratio is insane, right? So, I don't know what it means, and I think it could just be like supply chains, or it could be preference. People are preferencing the Polestar, not necessarily because it's a better car, but it's because I think, in my opinion, it's like different, like it's unique. Like instead of seeing 10 Teslas on the road, you want to be that guy that has that one Polestar. You know what I'm saying? That luxury, that exclusivity, right? So just my take there though. But just wanted to share that Australia had placed Polestar and Volvo on the top list. So along with that though, also I saw something else. Let me see what I had. We have two showrooms that they opened. DC, I don't know where that is. It's in the US, but they opened up their downtown showroom down there. It's gonna be in a pretty cool building. The showroom is opened here, Farragut Square. It's an 11-story office building it's built in 2020, so it's like a fairly new building, so that's good. It's not like like what's it called, it's not tore down. It's like a clean building and everything. It was probably built in a growing side of the city or whatever of DC, so it's a good populated area where they decided to open up this showroom too. So I think that's neat. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it. It's a short article there. And then the second showroom is the one in Dubai. They basically opened this badass showroom space, whatever you call it. They call it the store of the future. And I think we've talked about Dubai and the UAE market and stuff. They've been out there since February, early this year. But this is like the first outlet, little space that they got. People can go check it out, test drive it, go through all that process that they want to do for that. And again, kind of air of exclusivity. There's not too many Polestars sold, so people really are kind of leaning towards a Polestar right now because it's still young. It's like that new the new Gen Z kind of vibe. And I'm not saying Tesla is boomer or anything, but people want to get the stuff that nobody or not everybody has. So that's that. We have bad news. German sales fell 10% in May for automotives. But again, I have good news with that. So the bad selling stuff is due to like huge backlogs, but not enough vehicles. So there's like a lot of demand for the vehicles and everything, but the cars just aren't there, right? Like the new car registrations fell 10%, which is the worst since like May 2020 of like 2 years ago. So I haven't seen those kind of things happen for a while, right? The good thing though is Polestar is still up 154%. So I think they were impacted, they were affected, but they're still showing pretty good growing numbers month over month. So just wanted to highlight that as well. This is for the month of May. I think last time we talked about the month of April. So hopefully I can keep giving you guys these monthly updates on the German sales and stuff. Excuse me. But yeah, I think that's it on this one. What else did I have to share? Oh, I think the last thing, and this is pretty big. It's the Apple CarPlay. We might need to go to Polestar's actual Twitter, because that's where they posted it. But basically, Apple had like this WDC or something, like they had a little conference or whatever, about Apple really like expanding into the automotive software. You know how Google does the Android automotive and everything? Well, Apple's gonna start entering that space like more heavily, and basically they're committed into that sector now. But on Polestar side, Polestar actually already confirmed that they're gonna be on that next gen car Apple Play. But on top of that, they're also gonna be releasing the CarPlay for the current generation CarPlay later this month. So that's big news, like short term, and then long term, they're gonna support the next generation CarPlay. So I think that's cool. I didn't really read any of these comments, but yeah, I think that's all I had. Let me check the clout real quick, see if we got anything in here. Yes, sir. They're late. So yeah, I think that's all I have. Then as well, also check out the Unusual Wealth platform. Like I said, if you guys are interested, we can actually look at some GGPI flow if you want in a little bit. We still have to cover some of the stock price, and then we'll get my boy Trippy on, because he's got heavy DD he wants to cover. Am I right?
Oh yeah, I got a good one for y'all.
Hell yeah. But y'all gonna have to wait a little bit for him. He's still wrapping things together. He's getting shit together. Yo, what's up, Joe L? That's the med school Joe here. UCO UNG big movers fire me. Oh, for me. I think he said for me. Yes, sir. UCO baby. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna actually let's go ahead and take a look at a few of the charts. Let me make sure I covered everything. You guys already know about the card play. We're gonna start closing these things out, right? We talked about card play. We talked about German market. We're gonna leave that up in case we get some clout coming through. Polestar opens. We talked about that. Yes, sir. And then we talked about DC best selling, of course. We already know that. And drive away. This one's probably really bizarre, right? I've never heard of that company. Actually, let me peep that, see if I can find it real quick. Drive it away. There's none here, G. There's none here. Okay, we'll just worry about that later. Oh yeah, and then the differences, they added all the 2023 features, so y'all go check this out in your free time. Or some of the older videos that I have, we covered some of that. And then I think that's it. Got the Polestar 2 clean right there. And we got the charts now. So what do you guys want to see from the chart? What do you guys expect from the chart? You guys let me know. And then actually, Trippy, if you want to hop in now, we ready, boy. We ready for you. Yes, sir.
Okay, but let me pull up your stream on my computer real quick.
Come on now. Come on now. You want me to pull it up on here on Discord so you can see it? So you up to date?
Oh yeah,
How about
yeah,
that?
yeah.
Let me do that. I bet. Screen 2. Do you want the 60 frames? Oh, I don't have the nitro. Never mind. You're gonna have to get the 720 30p.
We not there
right?
yet?
Not yet. Yeah, I haven't got to that level yet. I haven't unlocked that one yet.
We're good. We're good. All right. So all of the DD I'm gonna talk about, I'm gonna leave it in the DD chat. So if anybody wants to look back in the server and review what I talked about and shit.
Yes, sir. Hey, actually, do you mind just giving your thoughts on Polestar? I think some of the homies in here, they're like Polestar heavy invested. They really care about this one. So you just want to, wrap up Polestar real quick before we pivot over. Just giving your thoughts on Polestar. What do you think of the new model? What do you think of the current stock price? Where you think we headed? Just things like that. Just that nature, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. One question is, do we think Polestar will run up with the meme stocks, you think?
Oh, that's a good point. Actually, because isn't it heavily shorted? Let's pull up that info real quick.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you, isn't Polestar shorted?
It is shorted, but it's got like the SPACs work weird, like the float's not the real float. Actually, the cost to borrow has came down. It used to be like 4.8, 5 point, and now it's been coming down. I don't know if you see the chart on here, but this red line here is the cost to borrow. This is how much these people paying to short the stock. It's starting like it was for the most part since like I would say what is this March? It was uptrending, right? And it looks like it broke that support. Now it seems to be coming back down. And really that's related to like the stock price going down. So as the stock price going down, it's like less risky for them to short. And so they don't have to pay so much.
I will say about this, there is a lot of upside with this kind of future technologies. So, and the DD is all right there, and it's good DD, So if you do good DD, it's gonna pay off one day.
Yeah, and since we're on short stuff, I'm gonna hop over to Fintel real quick too. But what's the DD you got on weren't you gonna wrap up GGPI for us? Give us your thoughts aside.
Yeah, what I just said was wasn't that good?
Yeah, nah, but we want to know what you think of the new model.
Look, guys.
What do you think of the model? Just visually. You need me to pull that back up?
I think the car is great. I've been following Polestar for like
over a year
now or so.
Did you find it on this channel, or where did you find it?
I found out by
on the GGPI.
I found it out on Instagram Discord. Because they were doing a sponsor on their account, and I was starting to look into them and who they were, and I gave them a follow. Then later on, I tried to invest in it, and I was like, "What stock is their ticker and stuff like that?"
Yeah, and then you saw that the GGG squad was also into it.
Yeah, when I heard that you were picking up on it, I was like, oh, cool. Because I
You was
did
already
hear
in
about
heavy.
Polestar before. Huh?
Because you was already trying to get in on it heavy, right?
Yeah, I was already looking into Polestar, uh, like before you were talking about it. And when you were talking about it, I was like, oh shit, cool.
For sure, for sure.
I was like, yeah, he knows.
He knows. He knows what's good. I would think the only thing wrong with Polestar is their
I think,
battery. You know, like
yeah.
the battery range.
uh What is it like 400 miles or less than that?
Nah, hell no. It's like 270.
200?
Like 270.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that
That's the
is
long
one
range, I
thing.
think, too.
Look,
Let me
the
check.
thing about a Polestar compared with a Tesla, with a Polestar, you're always gonna get luxury. With a Tesla, you're always gonna get like more speed and shit like that. But you know, I know they're gonna work on it. They
I
already
think
did
so,
with the
too.
Polestar 3.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, yeah. It's not out there. It's not out there yet, though. So, you know, they could just be saying stuff right now. But I mean, the man has the name CEO Thomas. He's been holding up his word so far. One question though, what do you think about post merger stock price for Polestar? And then we'll cover the heavy DD you got.
What are we at right now? What is
We're
the
at ten
price?
dollars,
10?
redemption level basically.
You know, no lie,
Mm-hmm.
anything under 9 will be a buy for me. I will load up on
For
shares.
sure, for
I do
sure.
believe this is a really good share play if you accumulate a lot over time.
Yeah, and if you buy at a good opportunity, like that's actually honestly what I've been waiting on. I think it'll probably come down to retouch these lows like 970s, and I'm gonna
Yeah.
get a couple options. Hopefully within like the next week, we see these lower $9.
Yeah.
Uh,
I'm not too familiar with the options chain on
Polestar.
GGPI,
Mm-hmm.
but I do know that if you do have shares and options, you'll be fine.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because you'll benefit somewhere. But
Yeah, you'll
uh,
benefit.
yeah, you get something out of it. What do you think post merger Joe said? What is the spy? What are your thoughts on spy real quick before we kind of got to relate to the I think the
Oh,
spy to
yeah,
the
I do remember seeing a couple TAs about the spy, about a fake breakout possibly happening.
oh no. So we're gonna keep running or it's this was the fake breakout right now?
I hope we keep running, dude. I don't want to go down for a minute, you know?
Yeah. Well,
What
actually, I
about
got
y'all,
puts
chat?
though. I
Oh,
got
you
puts.
do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, then I'm bearish then, for sure.
Well, but I mean, I don't know. I think it's gonna. Honestly, it looks like it's strong, bro. The spy is
Because,
strong for some
dude,
reason.
yeah, I don't know. There is no reason why we should be running, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
So
It's
like they're just probably trying to fuck a couple people over, like you and you guys watching.
yeah. Damn, you posted hella DD on here. Let me go and pull these up. Strange sounds. Get ready for more powerful solar storms. So we're
All right,
shifting over to
guys, if
some of
you've
the.
been following along with the channel, we've been talking about for a good minute about
Yes,
a
sir.
blackout event.
Yes, sir. We've been talking about those. Let me accept these cookies. So what's going on with this article here?
Basically, what the chart is basically showing you is
Mm-hmm.
the impact of the sun and and what it's been doing to our atmosphere and shit like that. So
Okay.
basically, if you know what chemtrails are, or if you do know that our government has been spraying a lot of shit in the air, if you do know what Bill Gates has been talking about, he's been saying that we need to cover up our sun and shit like that. But in reality, it's actually opening a big hole in our atmosphere layers that would allow the sun to pierce through and just like fuck everything up.
He's
Following me,
been
Gigi?
Yeah, he's been loading. Wasn't he loading up on land and water too? He was buying land and water stocks or something. What was he
Yeah.
doing? So, did you read this article though, or you just posted in it?
No,
Official
no, I read it.
forecast.
So basically, solar cycle 25 is exceeding predictions.
This one right here.
Sunspot numbers in May 2022 were the highest in almost 8 years, bro. So we're at all-time highs for like literally everything in this planet.
This one
So
looks
more than doubling, huh?
Which line of this is the important one here? All these lines. Observed sunspot, SIDC daily, SIDC monthly, prediction, and this is the prediction. So is it better to have lower or higher sunspot number?
Really neither. We're supposed to
Sunspot
be right in the
numbers.
middle.
Oh, so I guess it's
So
bad from the context
yeah,
here.
but basically a whole summer with the activity of the sun continuing to wrap it up. Uh, Scientists are saying that we should be expecting more earthquakes, volcanoes, and natural power outages happening.
Yeah, I was telling you I got a power outage on the weekend over the weekend. I don't know where
Yeah,
it came from.
basically a lot of natural disasters they are predicting.
It's crazy.
Because, yep.
What was the next one? I'm gonna shift over to the next one. Zero hedge. Whether California lawmakers want to buy water. Oh, look,
Oh,
I just talked
yeah.
about water, bro. Bill Gates
Come
was
on
buying water
now.
stocks, I'm pretty sure, and cut farming to
Yeah.
starve out drought. I was actually looking into this like a long ass time ago because I was looking at a company where they basically farm on these vertical platforms. So instead of like farming like horizontally across the land, they'll pick out a spot and they'll build like this layer of stacks, like let's say like a 12 building, like a building with different floors. Well, these floors have like land, like little trays of like farmable land. It's called aero
Yeah.
farms. Let me just show you a picture real quick.
Yeah,
But
for
they
sure.
basically grow like just a whole bunch of stuff on top of like one another, and that basically reduces real estate. But what's up with what you were saying?
Um, so basically, Cali farmers are getting fucked by the government or the
Yeah,
governor in Cali, because now there's restrictions on water, which will kill a lot of crops and really limit the food chain that Cali produces. You know?
yeah. How do we play this in the stock market though? Are you just saying the
Well,
stock market's gonna crash?
yeah, I think it will next month.
Next month?
Yeah,
We gotta have one more rally though.
I
This is
think
what I
we
was
will have one
this is
more.
what I'm telling you
I
about
think
here.
this is the
This
last one, boys.
You think so? This is what I'm
Yeah.
showing you here. These vertical trays. This is where they're making they're farming all their stuff. So instead of having to farm just across, they're farming upwards. Like in China, you know how people like that. China's population
Oh
is so
yeah,
huge.
yeah. Uh-huh.
Basically, this right here. This is an old ass company though. I don't know if it's even investable yet.
Yeah, they do
Any,
that when they grow the MJ, you know.
mm-hmm. So in places like California, water is a hot commodity these days. So you think we should invest in water companies? What do you think?
I'm not
Or
sure. Chat. What do you think would be the play for this one?
chat. Come on. Many legislators now want to buy in order to shut down or greatly decrease agricultural production. I don't know if there's not a water ETF, is there? I don't think there's a water ETF. Because there's more than just California that's gonna be in a drought. We got Texas, Arizona. What else we got? Shit. Trippy's phone died again. Probably.
Wait, what'd you say, bro?
No, I was just saying. There's just more than one state with actual whatchamacallit.
What, water problems?
Yeah, there's more than one. Texas, we got Texas, Arizona,
Shit, yeah,
Nevada.
Texas,
Nevada's
Arizona,
hot as fuck.
Nevada, damn,
Uh,
Colorado, maybe, right?
Is there? Nah, Colorado is
New
good actually.
Mexico.
New Mexico, I think. No water, no jobs, no life. Man, come on,
Damn.
bring on the good DD, bro. This is stuff we already covered.
All right, next one. Let's do it.
This one looks good. The mandates, brother. Sounds like this is good.
Sir.
Biden mandates more ethanol in gasoline. Yeah, this is gonna be bad. Like more ethanol in gasoline is really bad for your car.
All right, guys. So basically,
I've been telling people for a while.
We should expect the prices for basically a little bit of everything to go up. Because of this Biden thingy.
What is he doing? Didn't he already pass this? He was trying to pass more ethanol into the gasoline.
He tried passing it in December, I believe.
No, it was before. It was after that. He started trying to pass it after the Putin invasion.
The oil industry must blend 250 million more gallons of renewable energy, both this year and next, after a federal court found the Obama administration did not reduce the 2016 blending requirement.
Oh, so you're right. In requirements in December. He did start pushing this in December, this agenda. So they're going to blend 2.77 billions of ethanol, biodiesel, and other renewable fuel this year.
Come on now, you only get this kind of DD here.
Yes, sir. You only get the real DD here. This is fresh. Like, this just came out the press. Am I right? When did this drop, actually? Yesterday. Hey, you get it one day late. Come on now. Hey, Joe. Honestly, Joe is still in here. He's a big oil guy. What do you think about this, Joe? You believe in this?
They're saying oil to 140.
Who said that? Joe, what are you thinking about?
120, 140.
You got any natural gas, DD, Trippy?
Let's see.
Natural gas, the stuff that goes inside the house and stuff.
Check.
Well, yeah, Joe, what do you think about this ethanol situation here? Because I think he resurfaced after Putin invaded, and so like, I'm not sure what the current EPA or what the expected percentage for ethanol and gas is right now, but they're basically gonna double it by 50%, which is gonna be like double tear and wear on your vehicle. So like, definitely like, don't, unless you really need to save money, try to still buy real gas. Don't buy the watered down ethanol, whatever it's called, gas, because that's gonna like really harm your engine. So like, the reason that they're doing that is because they'll be able to like bring some of that pricing down on the gas and the pump, but you're gonna end up paying for it through the vehicle, because it's gonna really hurt the vehicle, right? Am I right, Trippy?
Yes, sir. He is right about that.
The agency denied 70 exemptions. They usually allow this stuff like already in the summertime, is because it's when it's usually historically more expensive. But I think they're gonna they normally add, or they allow for the summer, like more ethanol and gas. But I think they're pushing for even a higher percentage this year, since we have all this shit going on with Russia. So they're like doubling up on trying to get more ethanol. So it's gonna like really hurt your vehicle. So I'm really not gonna try to drive around during the summer. I'm gonna try to wait till it cools down. Like, honestly, I'm not even trying to drive around right now. Joe said we're not listening to him. He said oil. Let's take a look at oil charts real quick, because I honestly like oil. Fuck. This thing is near highs, boy. What the? This is near highs. We've been covering this since March, man. Come on now. We've been riding this right here. We've been talking about it. It already broke out. And honestly, Joe helped me get in on this oil stuff, but damn. Look at this. This man has like, I don't know how many shares you have, Joe. How many shares you got? He's got UCO shares. I'm pretty sure he's got UCO shares. I already got it on my watch. Yeah, he's got tons of. I think it's got like 30.
You want the DD on what'd you say, natural gas?
Yes, sir. USO is the more expensive one. What's the natural gas stock ticker, Joe, that you think we should be buying? This thing's been insane, dude. Look, I have my charting from like in March when we were talking about these breakouts, and this thing's already gone $15 from when we broke out. Hey, Trippy, didn't you say oil was gonna be 140 or something?
Yeah.
Joe says it's gonna be 160, bro, according to Goldman Sachs.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. What's the ticker for oil? BNO? You talking about the one oil? US oil, man.
the ticker
about
is
US oil, right? So
yeah.
another $20 from here. That's insane, boy.
I sent DD. It's right there in the chat.
I bet. And I wanted to get what's the ticker you'll be trading with Joe for natural gas? Because I know it's UNG is natural gas, and this thing's been rocketing still. Damn. It might have like a nice relief bounce there at 30, what, 33, about $33. Maybe come down. What is this? What am I doing? There we go. This is what I got right here.
Oh no, we're all fucked.
Why? What happened?
This is the DD.
I need to look at natural gas stocks to buy. We're expecting our stable of oil and natural gas stocks as energy prices remain elevated. Let's go to most recent stocks to watch. How to invest in oil stocks. Nat gas prices fall from 13-year high on profit taking. Water in the gas lines will totally destroy your engine. That's what I'm saying. Is ethanol gas? Or is ethanol water? What is ethanol? I honestly don't know what ethanol is. I just know it's bad for your car. What is it? We gotta look it up.
Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking Google. Ethanol is an organic chemical compound. It is simple alcohol with the chemical formula and also that.
It's like solution, kind of.
Solution. Ethanol is volatile, flammable, colorless liquor. And Joe just said $600 UCO. Sheesh. UCO is $30 right now. $35. Oh no, it's $50. That's a buy. Yeah. That's a 6Xer.
He's saying it's going to that.
He said it's going to 600. That's crazy.
We need you on the show, bro. That is crazy.
We need to get Joe on it. Yeah, that's crazy. That's 600 divided by 55. That's a 10x. That's 1,000%, isn't it? Oh no, he said it's 160.
Yeah, that's like the. Oh.
Oh wait, he said, what is UCO going to? He said UCO is going to 600. That would be insane. Oh, USO is going to 600. Hey, Joe sent 2 links. Where the fuck they at, Joe? I don't think Joe's in the Discord. I don't know where he sent the links. I think the links always get like filtered out.
It's in the DD chat.
He posted them? Did you post them or did he post them?
Nah, but you want to go through the other thing real quick?
Yeah, Joe said UNG is the way he's playing natural gas. That's the one that I like. That's the one that I've been trading. I'm really waiting for a pullback, but on these monthly levels, it's always been bullish, man. It's been holding these monthly levels. Like, comes down, bounces, comes down, bounces. Like, it's so strong, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna be playing some. I need to honestly just start looking at the chain for natural gas, like long term. Let me go look at the chains real quick. Let's go to unusual whales. We'll go to the intra-trade analysis. Last thing I was covering was Chewy. Let me go to UNG. Let's see if we got options on this. Let's go to the full chain breakdown. So most of the volume is for July right now. There's 11K of volume in July. And it's trading at what? What were we trading at right now? There's like 1,500. They're actually bearish. It looks like they might be closing these positions from today. Alright, I'll look at this later. Let me let me look at some
good DD though. A good DD talk.
Yeah, that's good DD to take a look at the oil stove. And what else were we looking at? Ethanol. We figured out what ethanol was. We didn't know what ethanol was. I'm gonna look at this, find some top oil gases to watch this week. Let's just quickly look at this, see if there's anything on here.
Oh, you're gonna post it on Twitter?
What? Post this?
The ethanol DD? What you found?
No, I was just gonna post it. I was just gonna post it in here.
Oh.
Hey, what the hell is this?
What is
it? It was some music. Oh no, Joe say he has 600 shares of UCO.
Oh,
let me size them up real quick. right now UCO is trading at 53. We're gonna size him up. We're gonna put him in for 600. He has 31k, 32k dollars on oil, and he started. I think he's only invested like, because he was talking about this back in February, my guy. So it looks like he only invested like 15k. Oh, he thinks it's gonna go to 100. He thinks UCO is gonna go to 100. Sheesh.
Damn.
Another 100%.
I hope so, right?
Yeah. He said I'm not listening. Let me. Okay, let me wait to catch up because I think the chat's delayed a bit. We're gonna wait for a bit. Let Joe explain himself. Because I'm confused. Yes. Yeah, that's what we got. Yeah, he has UCO. It's gonna go to 100. And so he's basically gonna, I think he probably bought this around $30, I think. So you're already up. I think you spent like 15k on this, I think, or 20k. He's already almost doubled his position. But he's still gonna double up. 600 at 53 is 31, and it's gonna still double, so he's gonna have about 62k, 63k, what it looks like. So that's interesting. I mean, we bullish here in this channel. We bullish on oil on this channel. Let me look at that article you just posted on natural gas. Natural gas futures soar as supply cuts hit as heat builds. What's that mean, Trippy? Talk to us. Yeah.
Basically, you know, it's really hot out, and with consumption of this gas, it's gonna go high, you know?
Yeah. Joe, my email is go to my channel and then I think you can go to about me or something. I have my email right there. It's ggg.investor@gmail.com. And yeah, you can send me the links there. He said, man, stay on topic. Yes, sorry. We usually just, what's it called? We be diverging. Our brains be going. He said we did not finish talking about oil. Oh, my bad. All right. Hey, send me those links. And while we wait, we're going to cover UNG. Am I right, Trippy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We're trying to squeeze in, we got a high, what's it called? We got a, what's the word, man? We got a heavy episode today. A fun-packed episode today. We got a lot to cover today. Am I right, Trippy?
Yeah, we got a good one.
We got a good one for y'all tonight. Damn, bro. He's got 31k. He only invested 6k.
Not bad, not bad.
That's the real AMC squeeze, man. Come on now.
Oh, yeah.
That's the real AMC squeeze.
The real banger.
Yes, sir.
The real.
He's going to send me some stuff on here so we can hopefully pull up. I haven't got anything from the homie yet, though. We're going to cover natural gas while he gets that one pulled up for us. Natural gas cuts soars as supply cuts hit as heat builds. And you were saying as heat is more hot, futures go up. Is that what you were saying? Damn. He bought before the split, before it was $22, and then it split. He's chilling, man. I wish I would have done that. Which makes sense. I mean, it just makes sense. We should have done that when we knew the reopening stuff was going to become a thing. We should have just bought oil because oil was going to go back up in demand. I don't know how we didn't do that. Now I feel so stupid. But what's up with this natural gas, though? Gas future contracts jumped 79 cents to... Yeah, for some reason when I post the links, they go away. Yeah, send them to my email or let me know what I can research or just pull up and I can... Because I am interested in this heavy tinfoil hat DD, am I right? You interested in this, Trippy? I think Trippy's smoking right now. Give him 1 second, he'll be back. Yeah, he was posting this UNGDD though. What else was he doing? Send them to my email though. You can send them to your boy's email at ggg.investor@gmail.com. Or you can go to my channel. Click on my channel. And then, let me see if I can find it for you, boy. Studio, my channel. Go here. Go to the About tab. And then click View Address. And it's right there. Just chilling. Here, I'm gonna post it for you. I just don't want to post it on here because then I'll get spammed. Alright, just say it and speak slow. Alright, it's GGG period investor@gmail.com. But you can go like right here. You can go to my tab right here. Go here, go to the About tab, view email. And she'll be able to see it there. What we watching here? Y'all want to watch some sports? What do you want to watch, Trippy? Y'all want to watch some sports? Y'all want to watch a movie? What y'all think about the Top Gun? Did y'all like Top Gun?
I haven't seen it yet.
Damn, that art. Let me go back up to the. Yeah, I'm gonna plug it in on here for you, Joey. At gmail.com. He's gonna send us some spicy He doesn't see it. Damn, I just sent it to your boy though. I just hope I don't get flagged now. Send me the juice though, and we'll take a look at it. Oh, you can send it to me on Twitter too if you want. I don't know if you're on Twitter. You can send it to your boy on Twitter.
True.
How are the futures doing right now? Let me see how the futures are doing.
We're
Up?
down.
Nah, we're down in the first half, man. We're gonna come back. Let me check real quick. Watch list. Futes. Damn, we're down. My puts are gonna be up. Hey, Joe, I have a question for you. Do you think the market... Do you think oil prices, stock... do you think, like... Let me go back here. Sectors flow. Do you think that the energy, right, oil, everything, do you think this can go up while like the market goes down? What do you think about that? Do you think the stock market can go down and oil stocks still go up? Like, because some of these oil energy stocks are in like the SPY and some of these other indexes. So like so I feel like it can like hold it up a little bit, you know, from completely crashing or not. Do you think oil and everything's gonna crash, or do you think the market will crash, but the oil stuff will still keep going up? What do you think, Trippy? Futes are down right now. Huh?
I think yes.
Yes, what? My man is sleepy. You sleepy? No, we can't hear you. You like hella like, it's like you talking underwater.
Oh wait, I don't know where my microphone.
Yeah, I think you. I don't know what happened to your microphone. You might need to leave and come back. Economics though. Still waiting on Joey to send us the juice. What's up?
I'm back.
What was happening, bro?
I don't know. I couldn't find my microphone.
Hey, Joey just sent me the juice. It's CNBC and Market Business. Let's pull it up.
Jim Cramer?
I don't know yet. Let me see what we got. Trying to pull it up right now. We got 2 articles brought to you by Joey, the med student. First one, which one do you want to go through first, Joey?
Oh, I sent that one too.
Oh, you saw this one too?
I sent that one too.
This one came in December. This is
updated. Shit, sorry. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at my computer and not my phone.
So that one's from a long time ago, right? And then basically what I'm seeing is it became a reality. December 2021, he said, yo, we're gonna hit 100, right? So that's all from this article here. And then now we have an update. Same man, Goldman Sachs. Now he's saying we're going even further, guys. No brakes are being pumped here. We're gonna keep just pumping oil and these gas prices.
Yeah, alright, what are the ticker symbols? Let's go now. I got one for y'all. I got a good ticker symbol for y'all. Remember, GG?
Yes, sir.
EAST.
Oh, that one? Wait, hold up. I think somebody just sent me something.
You got
he plugged up the position. Y'all, you want me to put this on here for everybody, Joe? Oil is not crash. Oil will not crash yet. He said oil's not gonna crash yet. I don't sent. Hell yes, I do. Oh, okay. He thinks oil's gonna go to 160, which I believe now. We've got. Oh, he said stock market will crash. Oil is not gonna crash. That's what we're seeing here. Brought to you by Joe. And I'm not sure if he wants me to plug this in, but he wants to flex some of the returns. Is that cool if I share the returns with the boys? What do you think? Oh shit, I already plugged it up. We got homie Joey here. Market cap value here, 28K, 428% return on some oil. He bought this. I wish it would say the date when you bought this.
You can see his average cost.
Yeah, average cost is $9. Sheesh.
That's like a Amy play. Come on now.
Hey, I know.
Let's go, Joe.
Stay, he said stay focused. Come on, man. Stay focused. Come on. We gotta stay focused.
All right, we're trying to get this bread like Joe.
We're trying to get the bread. We're trying to get a. Hey, don't ever mention Jim Cramer. That guy's a fool for sure. Something we both agree on. He's a clown. Jim Cramer's a clown.
Oh, shit.
I'm invested in the inverse Cramer ETF. Goldman Sachs has predicted oil will surge to 140 a barrel this summer, with a fall in Russian supply adding to pressures in the market. But the bank says consumers will feel as though prices have surged to 160, in part because of the bottlenecks, mean gas prices are surging. Brent oil has gone as high as 119 on Tuesday. This just came out today. So stay focused. We gotta stay focused. We gotta get our average down on UCO. We gotta stay focused, you guys. I'm trying to get on the next play, Joe. What's the next play? It's UNG, right? Am I right, Trippy?
No, it's EAST. Come on now.
Come on, stay focused, Trippy. We'll talk about EST right now. Let me get some DD, some valuable DD. UNG's the next play. I'm just looking for a good. I think a good opportunity would be here around this $28 range. I would load up. If it comes down, I would load up. What do you think? Damn, my man muted himself. We're bullish on oil. I think everybody knows now. I plugged in a couple stock tickers to watch. I wish Francine was still in here. Is Francine not in here no more? Franny? She's not in here no more. Did she leave? Sandeep left. Everybody left. Gustav left. Shane left. Shamu left. Saul left. Damn, we just got the homie Joe in here tonight. Status Elite, I'm here for it. Let's go. Oh, he's gone actually. He dipped too. Everybody dipped except Joe. And he said He plugged in the UCO plays for us. Come on now. Natural gas futures. Oh shoot, Franny is here. Let's go. What's up, Franny? How you doing? How you been? Give us an update on life. Give us an update on stock tickers. What are you feeling on the market? Are you invested in GGPI Polestar? What is your plans going forward? Everything. Give us an update. Girl, how you been, girl? Come on. We need to hear from you, Francine. We haven't talked to you in forever. And make sure you can get inside the Discord. Check that gain access thing and then click on it. Click on that little reaction thing and you should be back in. I just had to I had to up the security for the Discord because we were growing fast. Am I right, Trippy? We were growing fast, so I had to up the security.
We lost Mojo and OAJ, but we're good. We're good.
Who? We lost who?
And OAJ.
Oh yeah, rip OAJ, man. Omar was a good dude. He was in there for a minute. I don't know what happened, to be honest. I think he took the L and then I don't know. Mojo for sure, he took a major L. That's what I know that for a fact. Am I right, Trippy?
Yeah, that dude, Mojo.
Yeah, he took an L on the space. Sheesh. Alright, stay focused now. Stay focused. UCO and UNG. UCO and UNG. Those are the top two oils, and we got those. We're gonna have to get those tatted. We're gonna have to get those tattoos. Franny's still here. Good, thank you. I'm in the wheat sec. Oh, can I say that word here? Since it's beat up, SNL and SoFi. Okay. The you know what sector, I'm not too sure about. SNDL. What do you think about SNDL, Trippy? You're an expert in this field. You're a customer.
I'm loaded up on SNDL.
You really are. Is that a squeeze play? What is it?
I think it can go to 40.
Nah, come on now. Don't mislead my viewers like that, Trippy. Come on. The Francine is a good
based on my DD, it can go to 40.
I personally don't like this sector. It's still too early, and
Sundown is shorted, like beyond shorted.
Is it?
The flow is owned, I don't know how many times, but when this squeezes, this will go to a high dollar sign.
So I was hearing from one of the Unusual Wealth partner. He's an expert in this sector too. Both customer and I think he was an investor at some point. And he was saying that Sundown has a really good, wait, this isn't it. Sundown has a really good product outside the US, but they have very trash management. And so his play was that he was thinking they would just be an acquisition target. So far that hasn't happened though. So I don't know. The short interest is coming down on this though. Let's go to Yahoo Finance to take a look at this. Joe said UCO and UNG. Yes, sir.
All right. I'm sold on it then.
We're sold on UCO and UNG. We got those put down. I'm going to set up a tattoo appointment. We're going to go get those done. Let me quickly take a look at Sundial. Honestly though, joking around, I am bullish on oil. We've been preaching this. Am I right, Trippy? Am I right, Joe? We've been talking about this every stream. Am I right? We've been talking about oil. We've been talking about blackouts. We've been talking about, well, blackouts is still kind of real tinfoily for me, but if Trippy believes it, and you know, we're gonna at least present the information out there. What's really crazy though is we were talking about that Bitcoin rally. It was, am I right? It actually happened. They want to pump Bitcoin one more time before the dump, which is crazy.
Before the dump?
Aren't they bringing it down to 20K or 25K?
That shit going to 0.
Bitcoin?
Oh yeah, for once they pull the rug on it.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Joe says total crap is SNDL. I've
Cardano
heard
and Ethereum.
Cardano and Ethereum is the go. Well, I thought
Yeah.
Bitcoin was the gold. Isn't Bitcoin the gold?
They want it to be the gold of crypto or of currency or whatever. I don't know. It could. I don't know.
And aren't they saying that the government's gonna make their own crypto, and then they're gonna make that crypto the real thing?
I think they are going to announce it like next week if they haven't already, or this
Really?
week.
Like that soon?
Yeah. You can look it up. My source on that was Lou.
Oh, come on now. Government Bitcoin. Hey,
Government digital currency is what you need to look up.
Government digital currency. Joe said, "Stop it, sir. Sundial is total crap." Yeah, I don't really like Sundial, to be honest. I don't really like any of those sectors. I do like SoFi though. I think SoFi will just take like a year for it to really start showing. I think this is what's it even trading at? I'm personally not a fan of the first one, Francine, but I do like this one, and I actually picked up some shares down here. I swung them. I said I wasn't going to sell them, but I ended up selling them because the market flipped. And I ended up selling them, but hey, it's coming back down, and I might have another opportunity to get some cheap ones. So, let's see what he said. Sold, LOL, bro. I showed proof. Huh? No, nobody said we sold. No, you have it, bro. No, we're still bullish on oil here. We're bullish. Did somebody say Joe sold? Ah, nobody said that, Joe. Nobody thinks you sold. I'm still bullish on on oil. But what were we talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, digital government. About Bitcoin rally.
Yeah.
What were we talking about? So,
digital government.
Yeah, you saying it's gonna get announced next week?
Yeah.
Why is that though? Two-thirds central banks likely to issue digital currencies. This just came out 13 minutes ago, actually. So we're fresh.
Because the banks and the governments have been talking recently.
Let me zoom in for this. So 2/3 of central banks are likely to issue a retail central bank cryptocurrency, digital CBDC, in the short or mid-term. A report for BIS has said, according to a report, the pandemic has pushed for central banks to start making efforts to create their own digital currencies. So what will that do to the price of Bitcoin?
Either two things. Could either start a bull rally, or the second option would be the rug pull. This is also bullish for, guess what? GOLD.
Which one's that? What is it?
Gold?
S? Or did you say GOLD?
I said gold.
Just regular
bullish
gold.
For gold. Yeah, this is super bullish for gold. Because you know what this means?
What does it mean? Gold will become the center.
They're expecting? You know what they're expecting?
That Bitcoin won't be the gold anymore, so they're gonna come to the real gold?
No, the collapse of the dollar, bruh.
Really? This has been on an uptrend. It had a spike back in February, but then it dumped. Do you think it keeps... I think it might retouch this ascending line here. Then maybe we keep pushing, going back up, or not. I was actually thinking Bitcoin. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin. BTC USDT. Where's it at? USDT. Do I not have this charted up? Yeah, I do have charted up here. Once we broke this ascending support here, we flushed heavily. It looks like we broke back out. to be honest. It looks bullish now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I would say it looks bullish. Like, wants to come back to 37K.
5K by the end of the year. My prediction. Stamp it.
Stamp it 5K? End of the year?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
5K end of the year.
No way.
Stamp it.
And what happens if it doesn't happen? 5K is down here. Did Lou say that to you, or what? What happened? Why are you saying 5K? I can see a huge sell-off.
Oh, no. I'm not talking about Bitcoin.
Oh, you're talking about gold?
Yeah. That shit was funny.
Come on now. Which one is it?
I'm looking at my PC and now on my phone.
Oh.
I'm good. I'm looking at my phone now.
5K on gold by the end of the year?
Yep.
I wonder, does this have any contracts? Let me look if it has any options. And I'm going to check futures as well real quick. The SPY is down 25.25%. Let me see what we got. I'm going to look up, does gold have any option contracts? I don't think it does.
The HOMC.
There's a gold ETF. There's a GOLD, Barec Gold, and then there's the GLD. I don't know which one is. There's like the SPDR Gold Trust, which is 172. This one has options, but I don't know what it is. Let's see. What is this fund? Doesn't really tell me. Oh, tracks the gold spot price, less expenses and liabilities, using gold bars held in London bolts. Let me see how much their contracts or premiums going for. It's not bad. I just don't think it moves that much. GLD is the ticker. Gold SPRD Trust. It's this one at 172 on average. The volume is about 3 million. Well, the average is 5, but today I had 3. And the range is about $2 or $1 in range, about $1 range on average, I would say. Doesn't really move much. But I think this would be the way to play gold. If you guys are interested in playing gold. So
yeah, I'm saying I swear on everything, it will be at 5K by the end of the year.
You could get, man, the contracts are really cheap. Like you could get a 173 leap for $10 for $1,000. There's no volume on them, but let's say it goes back up to like some of the highs, it would be like 85. The ones for 185 for next June are about $600, so it's not bad. I'm gonna add this to my watch list, actually. Slap that bad boy in there. And then what were we talking about? I'm gonna close some of this other stuff that we have.
The digital currency.
Oh, we were talking about, well, I'm kind of done with the digital stuff. I don't know if we'll get some stuff for it. Oh, we're just looking at some
DD or something.
Yeah, we can look at the other CDD. I was just gonna show you guys the short float percentage of Sundial is about 9%. If you guys are interested in Sundial. I don't think this one will go to like $10 that you're saying though. I think it's heavily shorted and stuff, so it's gonna be hard for them to get pushed out. Let's move over to this subsidized food and energy article that you were talking about. Inflationary and stagflationary stagflationary crisis events open up a lot of doors and create a lot of convenient opportunities. What's the purpose of this one actually, Trippy? What's the purpose? Is this people signing up, going outside to go free shit? Is this really what's gonna happen to us?
Basically, they open a lot of doors and create and they create a lot of convenient opportunities for globalists obsessed with the ideology of total centralization.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, the NWO by 2030.
What is NWO? For the people in the back, you gotta help us out.
New World Order.
Okay. What does that mean? Hopefully I don't get shadow banned, but what does that mean?
It
Come on.
means you will own nothing and you will be happy.
You will own nothing and what?
Then you will be happy.
Oh, is that the New World Order?
Mhm.
Dang. Is the New World Order good or bad? Are they good guys or bad guys? Is it a good is it a good mythology?
Bad. They're bad. This also ties in really well with the other DD I sent you.
AMC DD?
No, situation going on
Do you
in
ever think
Ukraine.
this Russia oil gas stuff is gonna come down, or you think that's gonna start World War III, or is that gonna be what do you think? Be real.
Um, how do I think things will like go crazy?
Mm-hmm. No, what do you think is gonna happen with the Russia stuff? And I wanted
Mm,
to tell Francine that she can join the Discord still. It's just you gotta click on that reaction thing so you can get access to the other channels. We're still in there. You just gotta go back to it, click on that role stuff. But go ahead, Trippy, my bad. I didn't mean to. I'm gonna go to the other one.
forgot where I was at.
No, you were just talking about New World Order. It ties into something
Oh yeah, with this.
with this one.
Yep.
Ukraine troops
About
burn wheat grains as they leave Mariupol.
massive famine agenda happening, remember?
What do you mean?
Everybody's in on just killing our food supply.
Yeah, that's really weird. Ukraine, which is supposed to be on our side, they're voluntarily burning wheat and grains. I don't know why. What's the reasoning behind this?
Just because they're all in on it, bro. They want us all dead, bro.
So, despite the danger of food shortage, Ukraine people set fire tons of grain in storage facilities in this city here, hoping to impact food security in Donetsk People's Republic. There is a large amount of grain on the territory of Miriport. This is both corn and wheat. Judging by the smell and appearance, it is unsuitable for further use. So it's like what, expired or something? This is due to the fact that the enemy retreating from the port set. Oh. So the people, the enemy, which I think is Ukraine, showed up to these people's place and started burning it. And they found out because the smell and appearance was not correct, what it looks like. So that the grain would not go to the people, so they would be impossible to so that it would be impossible to use it anyway. What does that have to do with the US though?
It doesn't, but if you look at what's happening globally, there is massive famine happening all around.
What is that?
And you seen famine when there is shortages of food and
Commodities?
supply.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When there's a lot of
So
demand
basically,
and no supply?
no supply. Yeah. So basically, like we've seen this before. We talked about India cutting ties with other nations because they're concerned about their own, you know.
Right. The cutting off the exports. They've been cutting exports. What was it?
Yeah, cutting
India?
exports off. Not just India, other countries as well. Brazil, countries in South America have cut ties with us already. Just
Yeah.
a lot of different countries out there.
Yeah, wheat and grains have become a global concern as many countries have either banned exports or limited and taxed wheat exports due to just
Let's
national.
not forget. Let's not
This
forget.
is big. This is big right here, guys.
Wheat is like one of the biggest ingredients in like everything we
Right.
consume, basically.
Right.
So
Right. It's in your bread. It's in your cereal. It's in your freaking beer. What is it in else? Everything. Like I would say at least half of what you eat.
yeah.
Dang. Francine's still here. She says, I'll check out the Discord. I will see you all the next meeting. Gonna watch television now. Oh, dang. We got boring, bro. We gotta step up our game. Come on now. I appreciate you, Francine, for showing up as always. Thank you. I hadn't heard from you, so it's good to see you're still doing good, though. So, yeah, hopefully I see you in the next stream, and hopefully we have some better stuff, and enjoy your shows. Talk to you later. So, what's next for you, Trippy? I'm about out of ideas for tonight. What you got left? Anything?
Did I send one more, or was that the last one?
I think that was the last. Well, actually, that was the Ukraine troops burned and natural gas futures soar.
That was the last CD that I sent.
There was one other natural gas. It's about slip on profit taking taxes or something. We're bullish on oil though, right?
Yeah, we're bullish. I was bearish until Joe came into my life.
Yes, sir. I've been bullish on it. Joe put me on, you know. But on top of that, I just started being woke to some of this stuff, you know. Started getting woke. Do you want to cover any options flow? Well, what earnings did we have today? I'm curious to see.
I will make public on the options I picked up today.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me open up my shit. Okay.
Are you gonna show the returns or not?
I just got them today, so I mean I can show you the returns.
Yeah, are you up already?
No,
is today Tuesday? Oh, today's Tuesday. So Play, Dave & Buster's reported, and that's really it. Everything else is kind of like, don't really care too much for it. Let me just take a look at these. I know Academy Sports reported. I told you guys this one was going to go up, and it did. Crazy.
All right.
38, 78% insane.
What do you think about the calls?
The calls, did you plug them in? Which one did you get?
Yeah, I plugged them in. They're just Amy calls.
Oh, they're Amy calls?
If y'all are interested.
Alright, 1 second. Let me look at what Yahoo is looking. Let me look at what Dave & Buster's reported really quick. AMC is trending for some reason though. Dave & Buster's, just want to look. They didn't really do anything for earnings. They kind of moved sideways. Let me look at their beats earnings as consumers return to gaming. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not bullish on Dave & Buster's. Are you bullish on Dave & Buster's?
Aren't they shorted?
Nah. Here, I'm gonna plug up Trippy's options. We're gonna take a look at them real quick. So he got 30 options at 18 cents. Whoa, my man is down $60. What's going on?
Yeah, we're down. I got him when we were ripping.
Come on, you gotta find the opportunity. When do they expire? June 24th and June 17th. So you got time. Are these your first options, or I know you had options last time. Did you cut those off, or are they some of these?
Oh no, I let them ride. I'm down like 50-something% or 40-something.
They're Amy calls too?
Yeah.
Damn. 30 and 50. So you've spent, what's this, 10 cents times 50? Damn. Let me see did you sell all your shares?
No, I haven't.
$500. He spent $500 on about 500,
yes,
right?
Sir. Yeah.
And then I would say 30 on 18. 30 on 18, about 1,000. He spent about a band or a rack.
A rack.
Damn. He's down. He's only down a little bit though. He's only down $85. He's got time to make it up. You want to take a look at the AMC chart? Let me take a look at the AMC chart.
I want to look at the GME chart more.
Yeah. Why didn't you just buy GME calls, honestly? Is it because AMC ones are cheap?
Those are way... Are they?
They're expensive, bro. The GME calls are expensive.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, but I mean, it's quality over quantity, though, my guy. Like, I'd rather give me one bad bitch than 50, like, bad ones. You know what I'm saying? So, come on, man. Clean it up. You gotta clean it up. Let's look at the options flow for AMC before we dip. This is the flow chain breakdown.
Is this platform better than the Bazinga platform?
I don't even know what the Benzinga platform. Do they have options on there? Honestly, I don't know.
Yeah, they have like a float.
It's crazy though because this week has tons of volume on here, like insanely crazy volume, like 225k volume versus like the other days. The other days, I mean, the second biggest one. I don't know if you can see it.
It's because I picked some up.
It's nah, come on now. No, but AMC has 225k for this week. Most of the open interest on these, what's it trading at right now? It's trading at $12. Yeah. Most of the open interest on these is, I wish I could sort by size, but I mean, there's a lot of open interest on the 20s for this week, and also a lot of volume and decent open interest on the 17s, and obviously 15s. So usually, like, oh my goodness, look at all the volume today for just around this range here. You got 14k, 29k, 14k, 22k. And what did you get? What strikes did you get? You got the 24 and the 17s. My man's YOLOing. You really think? Come on, man. That's hella. That's a 100% move.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So like your calls right now, I think what you should have done was probably gotten like some of these 15s. Like some of these 15s for a week out. And then like make 30% on them, 40, 50%, then just take your profits and buy shares or whatever. Or just wait on the dip and then buy more contracts. But just try to get like, if the price is trading at 13, try to get something that's...
I got $100 cost and $30 cost.
Nah, man, they're gonna expire worthless. Unless like the molasses happens for real, they're gonna probably expire worthless.
Yeah, hell yeah. Let's go.
Come on now.
Well, $30 ones, maybe, you know? By the 24, you think?
Nah. I mean, unless something crazy stupid happens. They're the 24 ones are for next... No, the 24 ones are for June 24th. Wait, what? Oh, they're $30 calls. Oh, shoot. So this is the thing, Trippy. Like, the stock is trading at 13 right now. Your calls are $30, right? So the stock price would have to go up $17 from its current price. So you know how much percent that is? That's
over 50%.
No, over 100%. 17 divided by 13. It's 130%.
That's what I said. Over 50%.
Nah, come on now. It's 150%, 130%.
Yeah, I hope I get 150% return though.
The stock price has to move 150%, 130% in 2 weeks. Okay,
if it rallies up, then I'll get the profits.
Take the profits, bro, for real. Good? Yeah, because you're gonna end up just...
Chat, you want me to take profits, chat?
Come on, yeah.
Profits are hodl. Come on, we need to make a poll for that.
If you're gonna for real get like some lottos and like some molasses options, try to get like at least like, if you're gonna get like some stupid out the date, like far out the money contracts.
I got weeklies. My 31s are weeklies or 100.
No, hell no.
I got 30. Oh, I got 100 weeklies.
100 weeklies?
I don't know.
Fuck no, bro. They're gonna expire worthless. By Thursday, they'll be trading at like 2 cents.
Oh my gosh. You think so?
Yes, sir. I don't think you got those. I don't believe you, though.
Bro, we gotta go to the moon.
Yeah, but you don't know when it's gonna be to the moon. If you want some long out the money, if you're gonna like for real, if you want some far out the money contracts, like what $50 or $30 stock prices, like definitely look at like getting at least like a few months out, because if you get them for like short term and it doesn't happen, you're just gonna burn money, and that money you could have just used it for shares or whatever, for whatever else. But
I
I
just
was
know
just
one day Adam Aaron's gonna tweet something,
and it's
and
gonna
it's gonna
dump
go to the
when
moon.
every time Adam tweets it dumps.
You
Am I
think
right?
so?
Yes, sir.
Man, I hope that's not true.
It is true though, dude. I was an AMC for like a hella long time. I freaking knew that like the back of my hand. Manipulation, bro. That's crazy though. This one had the $13 for this week. I mean, it's like kind of there already. They're at 67 cents, 29K open interest, like tons of volume. The open interest is about 11K. So it could be that people
What's a
close
good GME call?
Oh yeah, let's look at those. And we can actually just look at the flow if you want for GME. You want to just look at the flow on them. Let's just look at that real quick. Let's look at the live flow for GME. And then I think we'll look at the charts and then call it. Does that sound good? I'm going to look at the 45K and above. The GME ones are expensive though. Wasn't this one up today? Yeah, it was up 14%. What happened? Did something happen with GME today?
Yeah, we ran up like 14%.
That's what I'm saying. Why?
Yeah, why? Because it's Tuesday. We run up on Tuesday.
On Tuesday it runs up, I guess.
And then we drop on, when do we drop? Thursday or tomorrow?
I don't know what's going on. This one looks bullish though. It's strong. I think it'll probably keep going. They can just break out of this 146 range. I think it probably go back up to 165 at least. I think that's where it wants to go. 165. That's insane that it ran up this much when the market was kind of down. And then, I mean, the market went up at the end of the day, but look at it. Looks like a lot of people are selling calls though. You see how the stock price is going up here on the COPE? Let me make sure this is Jamie.
Yeah. Does that mean people are covering positions? People are closing their positions.
No, it means that they're getting puts or something. So as the price is going up, the COPE is coming down. So it looks like people are buying puts or selling their calls. So let me go to this. You see how here towards the end of the day, people started buying 140 puts, 130 puts. So this is actually a good flow that I can note for people later tonight. So there was already a decent amount of open interest, but the volume today was like 10x from the average volume. So yesterday only had like 245 volume, and then today like basically 10x the volume. And the open interest is 1200 plus 2000 of volume. This could open up at like 3200, which would be bearish for it. So I'm gonna heart this, and I'm gonna follow up on it tomorrow. It's a pretty good size order too. It's like 213K. So it looks like these came in towards the same amount of time. So these two came in together, 1141, and then these came out separate, but still they're bearish, I would say. Yeah, so that's that. Let me cut down on the premium. Let's do 25K.
You gonna buy some puts?
Yeah, I might. They're expensive though, bro. They're like $800 a pop. And that's like weeklies. Like imagine if you want some time on these bad boys. So in order to actually make your money, the stock has to move like $6. Which is insane.
Yeah, people, but luckily with GME, when it runs up like more than a couple dollars.
Yeah. How much did it run today? It ran up $18 today, yeah. Yeah, when it runs, but then when it doesn't run, it doesn't run. See how it just moves sideways? It's really like, you gotta be lucky with it, I think.
Yeah, volume on SPY was it more than yesterday's?
It was ass today, I think. The volume for SPY today was bad. Let me look it up though. SPY I'm still in shock. You actually got those calls for AMC. The
Yeah, I
volume?
got a shout out to GG. He put me on with the $30 plays,
Hell no, I
$30
didn't do that.
calls.
No, fuck no, I didn't do that. Look, so the volume for today was 59 million. On average, we have about 70 million, about 90, 80 million. Like these last 2 days,
Yeah.
we've had like really low volume, which is not good. I wouldn't say it's good.
There's no liquidity going into it.
There's no money going into this buy, but yet it still wants to go up, which is dumb, right? I think it's dumb. So one thing
Yeah.
here, like here's one thing to note. Like the stock price it's just been going sideways for a while. Like it's like basically calling up. I think we're gonna get a breakout soon. I mean, I can't really predict it. I would expect a break to the back to the downside to 400, but honestly, I think it could come back up to these levels up here. What's like 428? If it can break through this, of what I mean, we basically almost broke through it. 418 is like the level to watch, but I think we could start rallying back up to what 428. But and I think that's more of a possibility, just because I don't think they would let it crash down to these levels again. Do you think they would let the market makers? Do you think they would let him push it back down to these 380, 390 levels? I don't know if you're still watching the stream.
I am. I think prepare for anything. I think if you are gonna get puts that you should get, then you should get calls as well.
Yeah, but then you can't make any money for real. I think tech is
Yeah.
bearish still. Tech is still bearish because it's like closing underneath 310. Like it couldn't close underneath this. And so I think tech, like NASDAQ and stuff, is going to drag the SPY down.
Damn, this is crazy. We're literally about to find out what's about to happen.
Why?
I'm
What
seeing
happened?
like uh like uh what's the
Some
word?
news?
Pennant? Pennant?
A pennant? Yeah.
Pennant?
Yeah. Where at? On
We're
what?
about to break out. We're going down. Possibly we can't break out right here
On
on
which one?
this level.
I don't see it though.
On this on huh?
On SPY or what?
Oh yeah, on Spy.
Are you streaming or what? I can't see it.
I'm watching your stream.
Where's the pennant though? I don't see the pennant.
Oh, wedge.
Honest,
I mean, the word is wedge. Wedge.
honestly,
Wedge.
this looks like a Head and Shoulders, G. Like it looked like
I
a
meant to say wedge. My bad.
wedge. Where's the wedge though? Like a wedgie?
Yeah, right there. If you put it on right there.
Hold up. Damn. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
It's coming to you.
Where'd you plug it up? No,
Oh
I was
no.
reading something on my phone, man.
No. I thought it was just making sense to you now.
Nah, it wasn't making sense. I think we're bearish on
Shit.
NASDAQ though, so tech I think is gonna sell off tomorrow. Like under 310 right here, I think we're still bearish. It's like it keeps getting rejected around this level. So I want to stay bearish on NASDAQ SPY. I'm honestly bearish on it too though. Honestly, it's like been struggling, just been burning premium for like a week now, I would say.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I never even took a look at. Let me see. Look at the clout. We got some clout. Andrea liked my post. Who is this? 22 inked itty bitty. What the? I can't be on this. What? Come on now. The homie theory. What did I say? It's dusting away the pollen. Yeah. Damn, bro, I'm tired. You got anything else to say? I'm gonna about wrap up the stream. Oh, we didn't even look at GME's contracts. Did you want to look at GME's contracts? think my man dipped. Trippy's done. Let me size this up real quick by 100 size. So you can see puts came in, the 130s came in for GME early in the day. There were a lot of calls. So depending on how these 160 calls open, I'd be interested to see if there's more upside. So there was like 6,000 in volume today for these. So I'm going to heart these and add them to my watch list for tonight. And then they also bought the 185s for July. Let me see how these are looking as far as volume. Not a lot of volume on those, and they're kind of far out. So I would say the 130s for a week out, the puts, I think those are interesting. I might be interested in looking at those, honestly, than the ones to the upside. But we both gotta we gotta take a look at both sides tomorrow. We'll have to trade both directions. And then I'm gonna pull up AMC's orders, see what happened with AMC. Oof, not good, not good. So this one's just bearish. 20K. We might need to do 10K. Yeah, I don't think people are bullish on AMC, dude. There's not even like a lot of premium going in on this. There's like 26K was the biggest order for today. Or 31K, I'm sorry, was the biggest one. But it's a bearish. These are all bearish orders for it. So I think that's it. You got anything to say, Trippy? I'm about to wrap this up. Intra-trade. And he's probably gone. I have puts on everything right now. Let me see how the futures are looking. They're probably up. Oh no, they're down. Okay, good. Yeah, let me quickly wrap.
You're like, okay, good.
What's up? Nah, I thought you were.
You're happy your puts are gonna print, huh?
They're not gonna print yet. Cause bro, honestly, can I be real with you? The market's so rigged. It's so much algos that the thing will like it'll look bad in the night, and then by the market opens, it goes back up to green. But I was just gonna look at earnings and some quick events that we need to look at for this week. And just quickly do that, and then I think I'll be done. You got anything to say to the fans out there, everybody?
Let's see.
Nah. Do you got? Oh look, core CPI Friday. Make sure y'all pay attention to core CPI Friday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, sure. Mortgage rates, wholesale inventories, crude oil inventories, gasoline production, gasoline inventories. That's it. Nothing big. Crude oil inventories, mortgage market index. Jobless claims on Thursday. Natural gas storage. Did this already come out? What is this? No, this is the forecast. Previous actual. So that's tomorrow. Trade balance was what they missed or what? Better than expected. I'm colorblind. Better than expected. Consumer credit better than expected. That's weird. Core CPI, I think core CPI is going to be the main thing. The Consumer Price Index measures change in price of goods and services, excluding food and energy. CPI measures change of the perspective of the consumer. So, from the consumer, the people that buy stuff, it's based off of their perspective. So that's going to be the big things on Friday. That's really the biggest thing. So, hey, I think I'm going to wrap up the stream, though. If you guys, thanks for showing up to the stream for a little bit. This one actually ran a little longer than I thought, but if you guys want to follow me on Twitter.
It was a good one, a really fun one.
It was a good one, fun one. Appreciate Trippy for showing up. Drop some good DD. Let me shout out a few people in the chat. I'm trying to do that. Franny,
Shout
Joe.
Out Jesus.
Shout out Jesus. God is good. and Saul, Franny, Joe, Shamu, Shane. He showed up for a bit. The homie. That video. Oh yeah, he. Sandeep and Gustav. So we didn't have many. Oh, and Status Elite. We didn't have that many people in this one tonight, but hey, not all of them can be a banger. But this one was good. We had Trippy on for a while, and you know we talked the DD. Yes, sir. And it's it's not the DD y'all want to hear, but it's the DD y'all need to hear. Right? Am I right?
Yeah. Sometimes, like man.
Huh?
Come on now.
Come on now. Yeah, y'all gotta. Yeah, y'all just gotta keep going at it like that.
Token up.
What you mean?
Hitting the vaporizer hard.
Damn, you choking, bro. Come on now. Anyway, I think that's it. You're gonna wrap this up, Trippy. Come on. No, you hitting the vaporizer.
So thank you for tuning in. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe. If you want to support GGG, make sure you join the Discord and use the link for Unusual Whales platform.
Yes, sir.
If you want more DD from me, you can follow my Twitter, CEO Adam Aaron.
Yeah, let me plug him in real quick.
You can find me at the GGG Discord. I'm always hanging out there.
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you guys in the next episode with good DD, like always. Yes, sir.
And this is the homie Trippy's burner account, Aaron Burner. Check him out. Let me click on this real quick so y'all can get the handle there. And go give your boy a follow. He needs the follows. Come on, y'all, help him out. He's broke right now. Come on, look at this man. He's happy. As is no secret, as a former CEO of the Philadelphia 76ers, I am one of the Sixers' biggest fans. Stupid face. Come on, let's go.
What's up?
Sir, alright, y'all stay y'all stay good out there. Be safe. We signing out, and y'all keep moving forward. Peace.
Peace out.